So this is what you do. Shane from Shane's Craft Beer Review just left. We didn't do a review together. We just sat down and talked. And you know what? That was great. Great seeing Shane. Yeah. Say hi to Shane. Do whatever. It is whatever. Miss him. Love him. It is whatever. Last week was Alan. But today, like I always say, is what's the perfect time to do a beer review? Is actually when you have some hot dogs, a couple burgers on there, on the grill, and to say, I'm gonna do a beer review because I want a beer. Actually, I do have a beer, and everyone knows my Laker Ice, and I'll just have a sip of this before I get into that. I can't wait till I can send one of these to Alan. Anyways, 2 years ago I did a review on Lunatic Fridge IPA. I believe that was 6% alcohol. I could be wrong. I gave it a 5.8. I was really hard on it then. Maybe if I had a Lunatic Fridge IPA now, my palate has changed where I can try that. Maybe I gotta get a Lunatic Fridge. But today I have a double Lunatic Fridge. Toboggan double IPA, 7% alcohol. A perfect time. It's been there, whatever. Why not get it? Lunatic, objective, lighter record, mad, furious, eccentric, etc. She has a lunatic charm that is quite engaging. Fridge. I don't know what's going on. West Coast. This is West Coast hops gives this IPA citrus hoppy flavor with a smooth profile and clean finish. Read all that if you want. Come on, my phone has it. Pause it, read it. This comes from London, Ontario. There we go. Let's get into it. And this, I bought glasses. I love this glass. I have like 3 of them. And they're amazing. And I just keep it around because you know what? 350 mil. That looks like a West Coast for sure. And you know what? Maybe I gave it a 5.8 because I wasn't used to it. I don't know the IBUs on this, but maybe I was more into the New England and not the West Coast then. And maybe I do have to do a revisit. And this is where I say, revisit your beers once a year because your palate changes. And you know what? 2 years ago, I didn't know what the hell I was talking about compared to today. That's what I'm saying. 2 years from now, I'm going to look back at this one going, what the hell did you say? Are you out of your mind? Because that's how it's going to be. It smells nice, actually. A little bit of pineapple, mango. And I'm getting like a pear with a bit of orange peel pith. A little bit of grapefruit. That smells good. Let's get into this. Cheers. Enough rambling around. Yeah, so my problem is I think I didn't know as much about the West Coast IPAs as I do now, and that gives it time and this and that. This is smooth. It's great. I want to really know what I was thinking, and I'm really going to watch that whole video. Why I gave it a 5.8. You know what? Maybe I did for a reason. What I mean? Just moving around the burgers. This is definitely better than a 5.8. Double Lunatic Fridge Toboggan is check it out. Honestly, just look up beer for breakfast, Dax for snacks, Lunatic Fridge IPA. Watch that video. I was also a little bit slower talking because I didn't know what I was talking about. Well, or I was a bit more nervous, and that's what I think. I was more nervous and didn't know what I was doing. Anyways, this is good. I get like a orange peel pith to this. Grapefruit. It's got to be about 60 IBU. I didn't check it out. Smooth. Then you get a little bit of this backbone. I think that's more like, you know what? That's nice. That's comfortable. And I could drink this quite often. This is a good 7-8 out of 10. And I'm hoping I could get Lunatic Fridge again. Because I think I need to revisit that one and see if my palate changed for that West Coast. See, my palate didn't change for, that's right, sours, but maybe it did for West Coast IPAs. 7-8. Check this out, guys, and try something different. And while you're barbecuing, why not do a video? Because it's the perfect time to do it. Have a great one, guys. Hey, try something different. Cheers.